Hi everyone, this is Mommy Lala yet again for a special video because this is a special collaboration with Crafty Mama Diaries, Helen, Alma of Sintang Mayumi, and Cheryl Sabado. It is an honor and a privilege to have been invited to do a collab with these three amazing crafters that I really look up to. It's also been a blessing to be able to actually meet face to face Crafty Mama Diaries, and it was during my very short stay but very memorable stay with her that I have been able to create all of these 10 amazing cards that I will be showing you, especially or including this one that you see right now. So I will show you how I actually put together all the other 9 cards in a little bit. I would just like to thank again Helen for all the materials that I have used for today in creating all these amazing 10 beautiful doodle bug cards are all from Helen's personal collection. She even shared to me her own collection, including all the card bases that I have actually used for tonight's or for this video upload. The only thing that is mine here are actually adhesives and probably some of the blings that I will be using. So all of this were created together with a Crafty Mama Diaries during my overnight stay with her. It's really such a wonderful memory that I will forever keep and treasure. Thank you so much again, Helen. And I hope you enjoy these 10 beautiful and cute cards created from Doodlebug Collection. And I will put the description down below because I forgot exactly what collection this was taken from. Again, everything here courtesy of Crafty Mama Diaries. Helen, thank you so much. Enjoy!
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, "Say Nick, what you got up in that bag?" Yeah, I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Yeah, they said, "Say Nick, what you got up in that bag?" Yeah, I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Yeah, I'm frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing.
Again, there you go. 10 cute and beautiful cards from the Doodlebug Collection, courtesy of Crafty Mama Diaries. Helen, thank you so much, Helen. And I'd also like to thank Sintang Mayumi Alma and Cheryl Sabado. So, if you're done watching my video for the 10 cards from Doodlebug for the Doodlebug Challenge, I would also like to encourage you to please also watch the takes of the from my different crafty friends also who actually do this every month. So if you like what you've seen this far so far, please watch out for the daily, or not daily, but the monthly collaboration between Crafty Mama Diaries, Cheryl Sabado, and Sintang Mayumi as they create 10 amazing, beautiful cards from a doodlebug collection of their choice. Again, thank you so much for joining me tonight or for this episode, and see you again on the next one. Bye!